Namaskar, hello and welcome. In the previous video, we had already discussed about theory part of creation of calendar in Primavera. In this video, we will discuss how to create calendar in Primavera practically. To do so, let's jump into the Primavera. Here in the screen, you can see that no current project is opened. To create calendar, you have to go Enterprise menu and click on Calendar. Calendar creation box will be opened. In the box, you can see that there are three types of calendar is available: global, resources and project. At present, project calendar is not active as because no project is opened in the Primavera. In the box, you can see that standard 5-day work week calendar is selected as a default. You may raise a question that what is the impact for this? When you select a default calendar from calendar menu, then if you create a new project, by default that calendar will be assigned into the project. If you want to change the default calendar, just select the respective calendar and check this box. Your default calendar will be changed. As I have already created various calendar as a global calendar, in this video I will show you how to create a project calendar. The creation of global calendar, resource calendar and project calendar is in similar line, except that when you want to create a project calendar, you should open at least one project. But remember, when you create a project calendar, this calendar will be available for that particular project only. Let's create a project calendar. To do so, close this box, open an existing project just we created in our previous video. Go to the Enterprise menu, click on Calendar, select the project button, click on Add button. To create a new calendar in Primavera, you have to copy a existing calendar first and then you have to modify it as per your requirement. To do so, I just select 7-day work week calendar and click on select icon. Now I am rename it. Then click on modify icon. Please select this box total work hours per day. Then press work week button. Now you have to modify your calendar as per your requirement. To create a 5-day 8-hour calendar, let's assume that Sunday and Saturday will be the holiday or non-working day. To do so, you just put 0 value on Sunday box and Saturday box and click OK. Now we can see that in your calendar view, Sunday and Saturday column become gray. This color means these days are non-working day. You can check it from other months also. To do so, just click on this arrow button. Now click on time period button. You have to define the requisite value as per our previous video. To do so, I jump into that table. This is the table. I just copy and paste the value into the calendar box and press OK. Now you can recheck it from calendar view also. Click on any particular date and you can see working hours per day shows 8, and on non-working day you can see the value become 0. Now we will going to define detailed work hours per day. To do this, select this box. Click on work week. Now this column represent 24 hours. Each segment represent 30 minutes. To define particular working hour for the working day, you have to select the respective working day. I select Monday. You can see the working hour start from 8 a.m. and end at 4 p.m. You can change per day working duration for each day individually, or you can do it togetherly. To do this, I click on Monday, press my shift button key and click on Friday. You can see Monday to Friday has been selected. Now I want to 12 hours as a non-working hour. To do this, press Ctrl button and click on respective boxes and click on non-work button. And I want to convert 16 hours as a work hour. To do this, first select the box, then press Ctrl button and then select the next box and click on work button. Now you can see that 8 to 12 and 13 to 17 hours become working hour and 12 hours become non-working hours. Press OK. Now if you select any particular date, you can see that work hour become change. And these changes had already been applied on all working days. If you want to convert a working day as a non-working day, please select that day and click on non-work button. And if you want to convert a non-working day as a working day, please select that day and click on work button. Remember, when you define your working hour or working duration and working day per week in the calendar through worksheet and time period button, the changes will apply for whole duration. If you want to convert a working day as a non-working day or non-working day as a working day, or if you want to change detailed work hour for a particular date, that should be done manually only. Now press OK. Our project calendar has been created. Now close this box. Now if you want to assign this calendar into our project, just click on project icon, select the respective project. In defaults tab under calendar option, click this button, click on display icon, click on project calendar, select the project calendar and click on select button or double click on it. Now our newly created project calendar has been assigned in the respective project. In the next video, we will discuss what is the impact of different calendars on the project and hierarchy of the calendars within the Primavera. धन्यवाद.